I was rewatching Apple's launch event that happened yesterday, and one particular thing got me wondering. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to an all new episode of Akarsh Talks 100% raw, 100% pure, and 100% from the heart. So, this is the second episode with keeping in mind the Apple's event that happened on September 14th, 2021. So this is one day after the event happened, and I was just rewatching the Apple launch event because I was bored and I had nothing to do. And then one thing got me wondering. That is, Apple has been promoting its trade-in program very highly from the past few years. I was just noticing that and I got caught of it. I'm like, why is Apple promoting their trade-in program so much? And then I did my little research work, and then I came to know about few facts and things why Apple is promoting the trade-in program so much. And I thought it would be nice sharing with you guys because I'm sure not many, I'm sure a lot of people would have heard to it and know the facts, but not many would have heard to it or known these facts. So here are my findings. So Apple launched their trade-in program in 2013, and an interesting reason why they launched was they saw the profit decline for the first time in the quarter of 2013. So that is when they started their trade-in program. So I think this is because of two reasons. One, people were waiting for a longer duration of time to upgrade their old iPhone to new iPhones because of the obvious reasons of the price increase from one model to another model. Also, the price increase of the new phones because of market saturation. So, what Apple did there brilliantly was they offered discounts on new models with trade in for our old iPhones. Now, my question here was what would Apple do with so many iPhones? So, trade in basically encourages a customer or a consumer to change their old iPhone to a better and a newer iPhone by giving discounts on the newer iPhone by taking back or trading in their old iPhones. Now, again, my question, what does Apple do with so many old iPhones? Now, what they do is really very interesting. Now, there will be two kinds of old iPhones. One is that can be reused, or one more that is in a very bad condition and cannot be reused. So the ones that can be reused, they refurbish the old iPhone and they sell it in emerging markets like India, Africa, Latin America. So what they're trying to do here is basically sell the old iPhone twice by manufacturing it only once. Once they would have already sold, and then again they take back that old iPhone, refurbish it, and sell it to consumers in an emerging market and thereby compete in the used cell phone market. Now, what do they do with the iPhones that are in a very bad condition? They recycle it. Interesting thing here is Apple have developed a robot called Daisy that disassembles all the iPhones that are in too poor condition and then acquires all the recyclable materials. Apple's robot Daisy can disassemble 200 iPhones in an hour, thereby acquiring all the parts that can be recyclable. Now, this approach would take Apple towards their goal of a closed loop supply chain. Now, this might sound very technical, but what they want is to manufacture new products from the existing products without pulling any more new materials from the earth. Isn't that nice to hear? Because Apple is taking steps towards a greener earth. Even though it might take some time for them to reach their goal, but then they're taking their steps to reach there faster. So do let me know if you did know about Apple's Daisy, and do let me know if you didn't as well. See you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, do subscribe to the podcast. See you very soon in the next one. Take care. Again, stay safe. Thank you.